Hello all and welcome to Crochet Designs. My name is Mary and I am coming to you, she's very excited, I'm coming to you today with our 30,000 subscriber surprise. What is surprise, I hear you ask? It's like a giveaway. We don't use the giveaway because we want to get rid of all the nasties, but we are using the word surprise today. What's going to be the surprise, I hear you ask? We're going to check that out in just a few seconds. But before we do, I just wanted to mention, firstly, thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. And by the way, if you are new to Crochet Designs, you can subscribe right now, this very second, and you can enter this prize today. If you are a regular and one of our oldies that go way back to my time, you can enter too. Anyone can enter so long as they are a subscriber. Get excited. This is like, it's big. There's a lot of stuff to see. We're going to go and see that in a second. But in the meantime, again, thank you very much for those of you who have subscribed, who are going to subscribe, who have watched our videos, guys, who have shared our videos. Share them, share the love, because our tutorials, we go from gloves to blankets to key rings to purses to bags to more blankets, baby gear, crochet, anything. Oh, and currently knitting. We're going to talk about that in a minute too. We have done Tunisian crochet. Look, we've done it all. Anything you can think of, we've done. Thank you so much for being a part of our channel here at Crochet Designs. Before we head over to the workstation and have a top-down view of all the items you're going to see on the surprise, I just want to mention three things. I didn't get a chance to do a video vlog this month because, as you know, or my regulars would know, we've had a lot of issues with our editing package, but that's all fixed. Yay, get excited. Well, you can tell it's fixed because I've been able to edit this video. Have I? Can I help you? No, I'm kidding. So yes, I hope the editing package works now. So we've been able to edit this video, and I just wanted to let you know what's happening on our channel. There's three big things that are happening on our channel at the moment, and that is our annual project called the Illusionize Me blanket, and you will eventually see a slight illusion happening. This is part 7 complete, and we do this blanket. It's our annual project, and we do one part a month until the first Thursday in December, which will be the final part that you will see. Very exciting, very exciting. So if you're not doing this, I've left a link to this in a description box down below. You must do this blanket. It's a lot of fun. And listen to me, you must. And the other thing we're doing at the moment is we learned how to do the knit pattern for knitting and the purl pattern for knitting as well. And the end of this week, whether it's Thursday or Friday, I haven't decided yet, we'll be using this colour yarn to make our very first knitting pattern here on the channel. I've already created it. No, I haven't. I've created part of it. So you will need a 5 chunky yarn, or what we would call here in Australia 14 ply maybe. I'd have to check. Might be 12 ply. Doesn't matter. You will need, we'll talk about it on the tutorial anyway, and you will need a 6mm hook. Let's try needle. I still haven't gotten used to say knitting needles. You will need a 6mm knitting needle and a 5mm knitting needle if you are going to create knitting with us. But don't stress, we're still crocheting. As you can see, that blanket we just made, and for those of you who didn't know this, we made this temperature blanket a few years ago on the channel. It was one of our annual projects as well. And all the yarn you see in that blanket, most of it was behind me here. And I said we were going to start creating a scrap sweater. I almost called it a patchwork sweater then. A scrap sweater. And halfway through this middle row here, and there's the start of our scrap sweater. We haven't started it on the channel, but we will either the end of this week or early of next week. Now, bear in mind that the 17th, 18th and 19th of July is the Australian Sheep and Wool Show, and I'll be in Bendigo doing all of that fun stuff with the show. Very excited. If you are a part of, well, if you are in Victoria, Melbourne or Victoria, and you want to go to Bendigo or the Australian Sheep and Wool Show, you must purchase a ticket and find some accommodation because it's not local. Well, it's probably about an hour and 50 minutes drive from where I am. and it's a whole weekend. So it's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And if you just want to go up there for the day, great, great, great. You must go. She says must. Anyway, this is our scrap sweater. If we don't get it started this week, we'll start it next week. That'll give you time to play with it until I get back from the Australian Sheep and Wool Show. And that's that. I wanted to show you all that. That is what's happening for the next week or so, or 2 weeks here on the channel. I thought instead of doing a video vlog, just show you that here through our surprise. And also, if you are wanting to make something similar to that, like this particular jumper you see right here, don't you love it? This is our patchwork sweater that we created a couple of years ago. I love this sweater. I cannot get enough of this sweater. I wear it all the time at the Australian Sheep and Wool Show, and you may see me wearing that this year as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. What we're going to do now is head over to the workstation, and we're going to do a top-down view of all the beautiful prizes that you will see in the 30,000 subscriber surprise. Alrighty everyone, I'm struggling to get it all in, so we're going to go through everything one by one. First thing we have on this side is a Bendigo planner. I received that when I purchased a kit of yarn from them. And over here we have, yay, the Crochet Crowd, a beautiful Mikey and Daniel, all together with all their gear and patterns and all sorts of fun stuff in that book. You're going to love it. Now on top we have Mega Tweed. And over here we have Home Brand, try that again, Lion Brand Hometown Yarn. Now look at these two beautiful colours. Each one of these skeins is enough to create this gorgeous beanie that you see on the camera right now. That beanie is one of our paid patterns on our website if you are interested in that. One skein makes the beanie gorgeous here. And this yarn here is called Abbey Road. Now I do tend to buy a little bit of Abbey Road. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 skeins in this pack. It is an 8-ply DK weight, 3-weight yarn. However, I feel it could be slightly thinner than the 8-ply or the 3-weight, so you may need to drop a hook size. And these guys right here, Needles Cotton. These are the ones I use to create beautiful doilies with. You've got your black, your blue, your pink, and look at that yellow, simply divine. And Abbey Road, again, this guy here, we have 3 skeins. That is like I'd say it's a 12-ply, a chunky, or I don't know, super chunky even. It's a 5-weight, if that helps for those of you overseas. And moving right along over here. Oh dear. You know I don't like to part with my Bendigo Woolen Mills yarn. And here we have an 8-ply DK weight luxury soft jade. It's one of their top range yarns that they have in stock. And here we have a 10-ply. Now that's the DK weight 3-weight. And this is the 4-weight yarn as well. And they're both luxury and they're both Bendigo Woolen Mills. And right here we have our gorgeous hand cream. I thought we use our hands a lot. Why not have some beautiful hand cream to keep our hands gorgeously soft? And over here we have, this yarn here is from our larger stores here in Australia called Spotlight. And Spotlight has the 8-ply pure wool, 100% Australian wool. This one here is not exactly wool. It's 50% nylon and 50% acrylic. Oh, by the way, pure wool, acrylic, cottons, acrylic, and the book. And we have other things like a magazine, including this little guy here that came with the magazine. May not have come with that magazine, but it came anyway. And these two came together, and I'm also giving away my kits. These are the packs that I have together with the scissors, sewing needle, and crochet hook. This is a 4.5. This is a 4mm hook. I hope I'm not rushing this, guys. But the scissors in this pack, which I can't seem to get through, are the scissors that I use. There it is. These are the scissors I use on the channel, so keep that in mind. And we have some coloured buttons. I apologise for some of the price tags left on there. I think this has even got a price tag on the back too. So these are handles, bag handles. So if you're wanting to make bags, this is the perfect handles. The kids love them, even the adults. These buttons here, now I've worked with these buttons on the channel before. You have seen them. I don't know where. I don't know what on what product, but I have worked, don't you love it? I don't know where. But I have worked with these before on the channel. And the Kiss Lock purse that everybody seems to like and wants to know where I got them from. Apparently they're not made this big anymore, so take advantage of this particular one. And yes, we're doing our keychains because we have keychain crochet patterns on the channel. And let's not forget, wait a minute, let's go over here. This is empty. You're wondering, what's this doing here? It's empty. It's not going to be empty. It's going to have every pattern from my website in there. At the moment, there's not a lot. There's a few. If I have more patterns to add before I post this out, or this gear out, then it will go in there as well. So you will get all the patterns from my website. Very exciting, yeah? Now these are patterns that are paid patterns that are not on the channel, so keep that in mind. And by the way, if you want the patterns that are not on the channel, you can also head over to our website at www.wowcrochetdesigns.com and purchase them from there. But in the meantime, here's the big one, guys. There she sits. She's a big one for me, but Tim Tams, yay! Our favourite Tim Tams here, or our favourite cookie, biscuit, whatever you want to call it, here in Australia. You get one for free. Very, very exciting. And look at that. Now you know why I couldn't fit it all in the camera before. How about that? And there you have it, guys. What a huge surprise that was. Huge, massive, big. Big, big, big. How big is it? Big. Thank you again for joining us. Now I'm going to have some instructions on what you need to do to win your prize. Very, very simple instructions. But before I do, I just want to give you real quickly what my favorite color to this blanket, our annual project. My favorite color on this blanket is the blue. That's all I want to say about that. So the blue is my favorite color on our annual project. I don't think I need to repeat that, but just in case you didn't hear it, it's blue. That's all I want to say. In the meantime, we'll get back to that in a minute. In the meantime, you have a few instructions. One, you need to be a subscriber. So that's a given, I know, yeah. The other thing is you need to answer just once. One answer only. Don't say, hello, Mary, how you going? And then do another one. Just give me one answer. That's all I need. And it could be whatever color my favorite is on this blanket. Yeah, that's what it could be. 3, you need to answer the question. And the question is, what is my favorite color on this blanket? It might be blue, but I'm not going to tell you. She's so naughty. I'm so naughty. And the 4th thing you must do is to answer by the date due. Very exciting. The date due is Thursday the 16th of July, and you must answer before 10 a.m. Melbourne, Australia time. After that, I won't be accepting any answers, okay? Now, know this. You have, what is it today? Tuesday. You have a week. You have 8 days to answer this. 8 days. 7 sleeps, 8 days to answer the question. Oh, by the way, I'll be announcing the winner at 4 p.m. on Thursday the 16th of July. So you must answer by 10 a.m. that day, and then at 4 p.m. on the same day, which is Thursday the 16th of July, I will announce the winner. How will I do the winner, I hear you ask? Well, 10,000 names will go into the hat, or 20 or 5, depending on who answers the question of the favourite colour being maybe blue. I'm not saying anything, just in case you heard me say before that my favourite what my favourite colour was, blue. But anyway, the question you need to answer, and I will pop your name in here. And this is, by the way, this is our, if you didn't know what this is our Live Antics hat. Now, we do a Live Antics on our 10 a.m. Saturday mornings live, and people on the live pop their name in the hat, and then they get to choose the colour combination of our very next tutorial on the channel. It's very exciting. Now, don't look at it now because I raided the shelf for our scrap sweater. But I'll be adding more yarn to that part there. Don't you love it? It's empty. What are they choosing? So that's what this hat's usually for. On the Thursday, we're going to use this hat. I'm going to pop everyone's name in there, and it's going to be a very simple your name, and I will ship anywhere around the world. But you will need to pay for any tax that you have in your country once it arrives. For everything else is free. The shipping is free. The items that you saw on the table, we're talking I don't even know the value of that. I should value that, shouldn't I? I'll value it before I announce the winner. I think that's a good idea. But in the meantime, don't worry about that. Let's just worry about the question. And the question is, what is my favorite color on our Illusionize Me blanket? Now, it's not my favorite color of all time, but it's my favorite color on this blanket. So it could be any color from whatever you see here or the blue. It could be any color blue, like blue. I told you the question was going to be easy. I wonder if they know what my favorite color is on the blanket. I don't know. It's a nice blue. Finally, guys, I will leave all the information you need at the end of this video so that you can enter our surprise and have some fun with us. At the end of the day, this is the best part, guys. It's me giving back to you and thanking you for being a part of our channel in any way, shape or form that you've been a part of our channel. I really appreciate everything, and I appreciate the 30,000 subscribers. Let's hit 40 so that we can do another one of these surprises, even though this one's not over yet. Let's just do that anyway. Thank you for joining us. My name is Mary. This is Wild Crochet Designs, and good luck all. Ciao for now.